In this video we're going to look at 15 of the most common and most useful verbs in the Irish language. If you want to learn more about the language, whether it's verbs or conversational phrases, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit that bell notification where you can be notified whenever I upload a brand new video. So back to this video then on the best verbs you can have in Irish. The first one, V. V means was. It's the past tense of tá. So for example, bhí mé fuair, I was cold. Bhí mé fuair. Our next verb, bhuaig. Bhuaig means one. Bhuaig. Bhuaig mé gach rud, I won everything. Bhuaig mé gach rud. Our next verb, chuaig. This means went. Chuaig. Chuaig sé a bhaile léhi. He went home with her. Chuaig sé a bhaile léhi. Our next one, cheannig. Cheannig means bought or purchased. Cheannig. Cheannig mé é, I bought it. Cheannig mé é. Next, chonnig. Chonnig means saw. Chonnig. Chonnig mé é, I saw him. Chonnig mé é. Our next useful verb, chuir. Chuir means put. Chuir. So for example, chuir she an tolas ar fad le chéile. She put all of the information together. Chuir she an tolas ar fad le chéile. Next we have cha. This is a very useful and flexible verb. Cha can mean to spend, to smoke, to wear and to throw. Cha sí go leor alma ann. She spent lots of time there. Cha sí go leor alma ann. Next is dúirt. Dúirt means said. Dúirt. Dúirt sé é. He said it. Dúirt sé é. Next we have fuair, and this means got. Fuair sé bruntanas. He got a present. Fuair sé bruntanas. Next is Lauer. Lauer means spoke. Lauer she leis an slua. She spoke to the crowd. Lauer she leis an slua. Rinna is next, and Rinna means made or did. Rinna she go ma. She did good or she did well. Rinna she go ma. Hruh is next, and hruh means reached. Hruh she ann in aum. She reached the place in time. Hruh she ann in aum. Hug is next, and hug means gave. Hug sé baróg mhór de. He gave her a big hug. Hug sé baróg mhór de. Tháinig is next. Tháinig means came. Tháinig an bus. The bus came. Tháinig an bus. Thosaigh means started. Thosaigh. Thosaigh an tinneal. The engine started. Thosaigh an tinneal. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments section some of your favourite verbs in the Irish language. I'll be back very soon with another video. Slán go fóill.